To create charts, we will use data from the summary table in the range H2 to I6. This table summarizes key information from the main table, providing clearer insights for our analysis and helping us visualize important trends and patterns effectively. This formula totals values in D2 to D25, where entries in A2 to A25 are January. The SUMIFS function allows for multiple criteria, making it flexible. It sums only those that match the specified month. This method aids in monthly data analysis, revealing trends. Our table has only 3 months, and this formula can be easily adjusted for February and March by changing the month in the criteria, ensuring consistent analysis across different periods. The formula equals sum, I3, I5, calculates the total of the values in the range I3 to I5. It adds together all the numbers within these cells, providing a quick way to find the overall sum, which aids in data analysis and reporting. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you want to dive deeper and watch the full lesson on Excel charts and graphs, I've provided the link in the video description below. Additionally, if you'd like to stay updated with more tips and tutorials, feel free to join my WhatsApp channel by clicking the link in the channel description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.